Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
I hereby authorize Mr., Mrs., Miss, blank, name, to collect checkbook of, blank, leaves for the account, blank, account number. I am unable to come to branch as I am occupied by, for, blank, reason of not being able to come to bank.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How can I cash a check? Take it to a retailer. Many large retailers actually offer check cashing services. Take it to the bank which issued the check. You do not have to have an account with the issuing bank to have a check cashed there. Take it to a payday lender. Get a prepaid debit card.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cheque is the British English spelling for the document used for making a payment, whereas American English uses cheque. Cheque also has a number of other uses as a noun, e.g., a checkmark, a hit in hockey, etc.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Apply for a checkbook. Step 1. Log in to NetBanking using your NetBanking ID and password. Step 2. Select Checkbook below the Request section on the left of the page. Step 3. Select account number if there is more than one. Step 4. Click on Continue. Step 5. Click Confirm.
Let's help you make your mark.
Check sending covering letter. I enclosed my printing payment through my check No 008873838 drawn on Standard Bank for a sum of $25,000. I shall be grateful if you would kindly provide me a payment receipt, bill along with a copy of tax exemption certificate, and NTN.
Take our lead.
As a part of normal banking operations, the bank undertakes collection of checks deposited by its customers, some of which could also be drawn on non-local bank branches. Such checks are called outstation checks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.